this is the issue here with this one, so probably it will have some drift. Okay guys, so I have here a controller that is bad, and almost for sure we can notice that this is the issue here with this one, so probably it will have some drift. If you guys want to see how I open this the batch of controllers, because this is not the only one, you can see it in the link in the description or here in the screen, it will pop up. So I turn it on, we can see it over here in the computer, and let's check not these properties, but these settings and properties. Okay, so you can see that already here you have the issue. Okay, so this is a drift issue, even though it's very noticeable that is stuck to one side or to the other, or down or up, it gets stuck to the corners. Let's check the other one. The other one seems fine, and let's check the buttons. Okay, everything seems working. Okay, so everything seems to be working, just this button. So what we will do, we will just open this and check exactly what is the issue, if we need to replace all of these or if it's something that we can fix. I doubt that is dirty, because sometimes it can happen that is dirty and we can clean it and it fixes, but I really doubt that this one is the case. So let's start to disassemble it, and as you can see, gets stuck in some position or the other position, but seems is mostly to the sides, well, maybe for the bottom part as well. So we can open this one. So it's just 4 screws, and I think it's a Phillips. Just need to pull it a bit stronger, and here with the ribbon cable, and that's it, this part. So we'll have here the battery, which is better to take it out. I will do it by hand because actually it's easier by hand. And we have here one more screw. Okay, it comes out, and here we have another ribbon cable. Just pulling it out. And now let's see if the board itself comes out. And the issue is this one. I think it's even twisted. If you look at this one, it's fine, but this one is seems a bit twisted. I wonder if this is related. Maybe I twisted out of place. Yeah, but now seems a bit better. Okay, actually it was just twisted. This part, if you saw, it was a bit to this side. It was not like this straight. And now actually when I do it, it goes back to place. And if you can hear, my kid is a bit crying, so hopefully he will not wake up. So seems it's okay, kinda. Let's try to put it back together. Maybe this was just the issue. Actually, I thought maybe something was wrong here inside, because when usually we have this drift, usually it's this side, this one or this one. So this is the vertical side, if you can see. It moves here a bit, and for the horizontal, this one. So we can put everything back together and we can see if all is good. Okay, so everything is mounted. Now seems to be okay. So let's get the computer and try it again and see if everything is fine. So we are back here to the computer. Let's connect it and let's see if everything works fine. Okay, so settings, properties, and oh well, seems is good actually. Seems is quite okay. I don't see any drifting or any shaking. Everything else seems to be okay. All the other buttons. So yeah, so actually this was a pretty easy fix. I thought it would be a drift for some reason, something inside, but actually it was not. It was just stuck. But if you like this video, probably I will do next one. I will do a drift, because I have other controllers that have the everything is, the sticks are in place, but you can see that it drifts. It's a bit like that, you know, or with the strange here bar, because it's not in the middle. So if you like this one, so please like and subscribe to follow the next videos, because I will continue to make a few more videos on the PlayStation 4 controllers with several issues. I think most of them are with the drift of these joysticks. And thank guys for the 50 subscribers. We reached 50. I think now we are 52 of us, so thanks a lot. Hopefully soon we will reach 100. So thanks for watching and see you later.